Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this easy crochet shorts. So to begin, make a chain long enough to go around your waist. And then when you have made enough chain, then connect both ends together by making a slip stitch. After joining your ends together, then chain 2, turn your work and make one round of double crochet. To make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into a chain space and pull up a loop. And you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So keep working like that until you go around. After round 1, this is what my work looks like, so make a slip stitch if you haven't. After slip stitching your work, chain 2 and turn your work. For the next round, which is round 2, we are going to make an increase because the hip is usually wider than the waist. So the next thing we are going to do is make 10 double crochets. After making your 10 double crochets, into the 11th space we are going to make an increase, and to make an increase we are going to insert 2 double crochets into one space. And then after making an increase, make 10 double crochets again. So to complete this round, make 10 double crochets, and after every 10 double crochets, make an increase, and after every increase, make 10 double crochets until you reach the end. At the end of your round 2, make a slip stitch, and then after making your slip stitch, chain 2 and turn your work. For the next round, which is round 3, we are going to be making a normal round without any increases. So go ahead and insert double crochets into every space until you go around again. So after this round, which is round 4, then you're going to make another round of increase, and round 5 you're going to make a normal round of double crochet. So keep working like so by making one round of increase and one round of normal double crochet until you get to the required size of your hips. So far you guys, I made 2 rounds of increases before I got to my hip measurement, and then I made normal double crochet rows until I got to my crotch area, and I also marked out the middle of my shorts. So the next thing you're going to do is chain 2, turn your work, and make double crochets until you reach where the stitch marker is. When you get to where the stitch marker is, remove the stitch marker from one part and then make your last double crochet. After making that double crochet, make 10 chains. After completing your 10 chains, then turn your work to the other part where your stitch marker is. Remove the stitch marker and then into that space make 1 double crochet. And then after making that 1 double crochet, keep making double crochets until you go around this half part, and then from that point keep adding more rows to your work until you reach the length that you want. So you guys, I made 5 rows and it was enough length for me. So the next thing we're going to do is to crochet picots at the end of the leg. So take your next color of yarn, for me it's a white, and attach it to the end. Chain 1 and then make 5 single crochets. After making your 5 single crochets, then make 5 chains. And after making your 5 chains, insert your hook into the top of your 5th single crochet and make a slip stitch. And that makes our very first picot. So to continue, make 5 single crochets, and after the fifth one, make your picot and make 5 single crochets again until you go around. So at the end of the round, this is what my work looks like. So go ahead and make your second leg. After completing both legs, then we are going to begin working on the bow. And for this bow, I made 3 ropes. 2 of these ropes consist of 50 chains, and then the last one is made of 150 chains. So the 50 chains rope will be used to make bows on the legs. There is no specific way of making a bow. However way you want to make your bow, make your bow. And then the rope of 150 chains will be used for the waist. After attaching all ropes, this is what the short looks like. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll answer them.